Once upon a time, there was a peaceful village named Lumina. The villagers lived happily, helping each other with everything from planting crops to mending roofs. Everyone knew everyone, and the village thrived on trust and kindness. In Lumina lived a kind-hearted girl named Mira. She always trusted people and believed in the goodness of everyone. She would often help neighbors with chores, listen to their troubles, and bring cheer wherever she went. One day, a mysterious man appeared at the village gates. He wore a dark hood that hid most of his face and carried a silver flute that shimmered oddly in the sunlight. He introduced himself as Shadowfox and spoke in a smooth, convincing voice. "People of Lumina," he said, "the forest spirits are angry and only I know how to calm them. If you listen to me, your village will be safe." The villagers who had never faced danger before became frightened. They listened closely, even though something in Mira's heart felt uneasy. Shadowfox began visiting the villagers individually. To one, he whispered, "Your friend envies you. Beware." To another, he said, "Your neighbor hides food from you." To a third, "Your family doesn't respect you as you think." At first, these words seemed small and harmless, but soon the villagers grew suspicious of each other. Friends argued over imagined insults, families fought over tiny misunderstandings, even the village elders, wise and careful, began doubting their neighbors. Mira noticed the change. People she had trusted for years avoided each other, glancing nervously as if expecting betrayal. She felt a heavy sadness, realizing that Shadowfox's words were weaving fear and doubt through the hearts of everyone. One night, Mira decided to find out the truth. She followed Shadowfox into the dark forest. She hid behind trees and watched him laugh quietly to himself. "Fear is powerful," he murmured. "People are easy to control when they are scared." Mira's heart sank, but she felt a spark of courage. She knew she had to act. Just then, a soft glow surrounded her. The forest spirits appeared, gentle and radiant. "Mira," they said, "Shadowfox feeds on lies and fear. Only the light of truth can break his power. Take this lantern. It will reveal the truth to anyone it shines upon." Mira took the lantern, feeling its warmth and knowing the weight of her task. She returned to the village, where whispers of suspicion had grown louder. The next morning, Mira gathered the villagers in the central square. She lifted the glowing lantern high. Light spread, touching every corner, every face, every heart. Slowly, the lies began to crumble. One by one, the villagers saw clearly. Their friends had not envied them. Neighbors had not hidden anything. Families had always loved and respected each other. All the fear, the mistrust, the fights, it had been Shadowfox's manipulation. Enraged, Shadowfox tried to intimidate them again, but the lantern's light revealed his true form. A lonely figure consumed by fear and bitterness. He screamed as the villagers' courage grew, and then he vanished into the morning fog. The villagers embraced Mira, praising her bravery and wisdom. Peace returned to Lumina. People promised to always choose truth over fear, to trust each other, and to help those in need. Mira became known far and wide as the girl who saved her village with courage, honesty, and a heart full of light.